Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to update the buffer app so you can access all the latest features and fixes. So let's go. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Navigate to your search engine and type buffer app. Look at the official app and tap on it. Now look at the button next to the app. If it says update, just tap that and wait a few seconds. If it says open, then you already have the latest version installed. No update needed. Once the update finishes, you are good to go. Open the app and enjoy the newest features and improvements. And that's it. You have now successfully searched for and updated the buffer app. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.